Now that you are able to know what is your values, maybe it's a commitment, maybe it's integrity, maybe it's communication, maybe it's compassionate. So whatever values you have, I want you to think about that and put it in your head of like, these are the values that will bring me closer to my goal in 2026, or if whatever year that you're watching this right now. Okay. So next is the people who is happy to see us winning, the people who's going to support us 100% no matter what happens to us. And they're always going to be there for us, whether it's physically, emotionally, mentally, or even financially. If like, who are those people who's going to support you 100%? Okay. So because we are now prioritizing the right people for 2026. In 2026, your future will be defined by who has access to you. This is not cutting people off. We're not going to cut people. We're just going to deprioritize them, or we're going to give them less attention. And we're going to focus on the people who's actually giving us an attention. And it's also okay that you will have one person left, two people left. And it's okay as long as you know that you have a safety feeling that you have those people at your back in order for you to reach your goal with the same values as you are, with the same values that you're actually thinking. Are these people have the same value as mine? We will also check in your intuition as well, your human intuition, your people intuition. So this is about prioritizing your time, your energy, and attention, because these are your assets. And we will going to focus on that. So they must be invested where they move you closer to your goals. Okay, so in the next module, there's going to be the recording in order for you to go through the NLP and hypnosis, in order for us to know who are you going to prioritize and who are you going to give less attention in 2026. And just go to the next module and enjoy.